Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a hair and makeup video for you guys. So I'll be showing you how I installed this glueless wig from Rpgshow Wigs. So this is the shoulder length layered wig with some blonde highlights, and I'm really feeling the blonde highlights in this wig because I feel like it's bringing the whole thing together. The whole look is just, yeah, it's doing something, okay? And the wig is very beginner friendly as well. It literally took me less than 10 minutes to install the wig. So when it comes to my makeup today, I'm going to be showing you guys some new tricks and some new tips that I've been doing to get this flawless beat, okay? It is giving snatched, it is giving sculpted, it is giving what it needs to give, okay? So yeah, so if you guys want to see how I got this whole look together, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So today's wig is from Rpgshow Wigs. I'm going to go ahead and install the wig first and then move on to the makeup section of this video. So in terms of the wig, this is the look we're going for today. So this is what the wig looks like. So it's just a middle part layered wig with some blonde highlights, as you guys can see. And I feel like because of the style I'm going for today, I don't need to glue down the wig all the way around. It fits pretty secure on my head right now as well. It's a 13x6, which means the parting goes all the way to the back, as you can see. I like how the wig fits really secure. Like, I feel like I really don't need to glue this down, and even if I am going to glue it down, I'll probably just end up gluing down the middle part, the middle section of the wig, because I'm wearing it coming down my face anyway. So I think I'm going to make the middle part a bit longer just so it looks more natural. I feel like this is fine, but the longer the part is, the more natural and nicer it looks, I think, anyway. So now I'm just going to go ahead and use my hot comb and just hot comb the top of the wig. I feel like this wig is definitely very beginner friendly because it's taken me less than 10 minutes to install this wig. I've not had to glue it down, I've not had to use any hair mousse, any hairspray, nothing. And guys, look at the hair quality as well. Like, this is the hair in its natural, this is its natural shine, and I've not added any hair serum, nothing, and the hair feels extremely soft, like, and it's so flowy as well. So this is what the hair looks like. I am so happy with this wig and I just love the hair quality as well. So now that I'm done installing the wig, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to makeup. We're trying out some new makeup products from Pre-plucked, okay? So yeah, when it comes to my makeup, I feel like so much has changed in terms of how I do my makeup. It's crazy because for the longest time I would do my base before doing my eyebrows, but things have changed my routine has definitely changed. I feel like I need to do a dedicated video for you guys, but that's gonna come soon. So now I actually do my eyebrows before doing my foundation or anything like that. I've just been finding it a lot easier, and I feel like my brows stand out a lot more as well when I do my brows first. So I do have oily skin, so I'm gonna go ahead and prime around my eyebrows. I mainly get oily around my T-zone and, you know, my nose as well. So I'm just gonna apply some mattifying primer on my brows. So I use the Got To Be Glued for Brows and Edges gel. Like, I've been using this for years. It's like, I swear by this product. I'm gonna apply this, and how much is this? Like 3, 4, 5 pounds. I don't think it's more than 5 pounds. So when it's nearly dried, I'm gonna use my spoolie and just brush everything in place and, you know, basically mold my brows. So whilst I'm waiting for that, I'm just gonna apply some powder on my face. This is what my brows look like. You can't tell me my brows don't look perfect. Like, I feel like, honestly, doing my brows this way, just taking how good my brow looks. And this is always my favorite brow as well. I don't know, it's just always on point every time. This one, the shape is a bit, you know, it's not bad, but yeah. Okay, so now that my brows are done, I'm gonna go ahead and conceal underneath my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer, and the shade I'm using is Crumble 7.1. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Huda Beauty blush stick, and the shade I have is Baddie Berry. So now I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation. You guys can see, I feel like I can definitely go a shade darker. So this is Nutmeg, but I am in the shade Hot Fudge or Chocolate Fudge. I'm not sure which one it is, but it's one of them anyway. So yeah. So okay, so this is what my base is looking like at the moment, and I like this technique because it's like I've not applied too much foundation and my face is looking very put together, you know. So I'm just gonna highlight underneath my eyes, and I'm gonna use the NARS Radiant Concealer in the shade Chestnut. I do like a bright under eye, and I like this shade because it kind of has like a peachy undertone to it. I don't know the science behind it, guys, but I like this shade to highlight with, and I'm only gonna apply this right there. So I'm gonna use the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder to set my under eye first, and then go in with my loose setting powder. So now I'm gonna apply that same powder over my brows. You guys know I always set my brows. It's still the same thing now, regardless of whether I do my brows before my foundation or foundation before brows. I always set my brows in place. It just gives them that softer look, you know. I'm gonna set the rest of my face and then I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty Warm Matte Eyeshadow Palette. Guys, I love this palette because just look at the colors, look at the shades. Like, this is literally me. Keeping it simple today, I'm just gonna go, you guys already know, I keep it simple all the time. So I'm just gonna go in with this shade, this brown shade right here, and just pop that all over my eyelid. I'm a very simple girl. I don't ask for too much, honestly. So yeah. I'm also gonna drag that brown shade down into my, what do you call this? The bridge of my nose. Yeah. I'm gonna drag that down there. And I'm dragging it into my brows as well. It doesn't matter if it goes over your brows, because what I've noticed, I say this in every video actually, like when you drag your eyeshadow towards the bridge of your nose, it just snatches your nose even more. Look at this side and look at this side. You can see the clear difference. So now I'm just going to press the powder that's left. I'm going to press that into my skin. I'm not going to dust it off. I'm not wiping it off. I'm just going to press into my skin. I'm going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set my makeup. And this is going to help to set this powder into my skin. So instead of me dusting it off or wiping it off, I'm just spraying. Everything is going to melt into my skin basically. So yeah. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my lip liner. I'm going to use the Morphe lip pencil in the shade Trendsetter. And now I'm going to apply the Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick in the shade Wifey. Okay, so now I'm gonna go pop my lashes on and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. I love this makeup look. Honestly, this is my go-to, like going out, night out makeup look. Daytime, nighttime, this is what I do. Okay, so I've got my lashes on now and they are very dramatic. I didn't expect them to be this dramatic, but I'm too lazy to change them. So this is just gonna have to do, okay? I'm not changing my lashes. But anyway, yeah, so going back to my hair now, I'm just gonna glue down literally the middle part of my wig. I'm gonna use my bed head spray. So now I'm just gonna add some more layers to the wig because I feel like this wig is so lush, like it's so cute, but you can't really see, like it's there but it's not defined. So now the last thing I'm going to do is to apply some concealer down my middle part. I don't really need to because I feel like it does look really clean and it looks very natural as well. But I'm just gonna apply some concealer just to make it stand out even more. Okay, so that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video today. I feel like I definitely need to come back on here and start doing talking videos again because I've missed talking to you guys. Like, I feel like I've not spoken to you in so long. But anyway, yeah, I am going to do a dedicated video on my updated makeup routine so you guys can see and understand how I do every step. I am so in love with this wig. Initially, when I was installing the wig, I was thinking, I don't know, but now that I'm done with everything, I feel like this is making a lot of sense. Okay, it's making a lot of sense. Okay, but yeah, so like I said, this wig is from Rpgshow Wigs, and this is the shoulder length layered wig with some blonde highlights at the front. I feel like the blonde highlights definitely adds a bit of, you know, something to the whole look, and the wig is definitely very beginner friendly. I didn't need to use any hairspray, any hair mousse, any glue to glue this wig down, and the wig fits very secure on my head. I did decide to, you know, glue down the middle section just because I wanted you guys to see how good the lace can melt. But aside from that, honestly, this wig is definitely very beginner friendly. And when it comes to the hair quality, you guys can see the hair itself is doing the talking. So, you know, the hair quality is amazing. It's so soft and it's just so flowy, and this is its natural shine. I've not applied any hair serum to this wig, so I'll definitely recommend Rpgshow Wigs. I just, listen, the quality, lace, everything is just always on point. So the wig came pre-plucked and it came pre-bleached as well, so I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description bar below. So please make sure you check below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.